What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys seen by the title, today I'm going to be doing a everyday makeup routine slash tutorial, whatever y'all want it to be. So I usually start off by doing my eyebrows, but I did not film a intro because I just wanted to do a little voiceover, but I do film an outro, so stay tuned for that. But I start off by doing my eyebrows, and then after that I usually conceal them to clean them up. After concealing my eyebrows, I usually just blend them out, blend the front out so it will look like a natural, like, faded. And then I usually use some concealer under my eyes and on some blemishes I have on my face, redness, anything in that sort. Then I usually just blend it out and leave it at that. After blending out my concealer on my face, I then use a black eyeliner and put it at the top of my waterline, and then I use a white shimmer eyeliner and put it in my inner corner of my eye and the bottom waterline. And then I use my two mascaras by Too Faced and Maybelline and do my eyelashes. After this, I am going to be putting on my Maybelline highlighter on my nose. I only put on my nose because I just like the look of it. And then I'm going to be adding my Victoria's Secret Lip Plumper Crystal Clear Lip Gloss. Now I'm going to do my mess of a head. See you soon. Okay, so that was the end of the video. Obviously, as you seen by the title, this was the everyday makeup routine tutorial, whatever you want to call it. And I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, because if you're not subscribing, then what are you doing? And yeah, share this, show it to your cousin, your friend, your sister, your aunts, your uncles, everybody, because yeah. And like I said, subscribe. And make sure to make sure to comment video suggestions and everything. And I'm gonna start a back to school little series or whatever. So stay tuned for that. Questions, anything, concerns, just regular comments. Give me some feedback. Give this video a thumbs up, like you said. And yeah, my camera keep dying, so I don't even know how this is about to turn out. But we gonna make it work.